Here we go. Howdy
And
welcome
back
to
our
channel.
We
Are
so
happy
that
you're
here.
yes.
Well, here we are with another Tech Connect video, and boy howdy has it been a year. We thought in this video it would be fun to look back at some of the videos that we've made this year and what our favorite moments were. Corey, how did you find 2022?
Fair to middling. It was better than that.
Fair enough. I was going to say you were very unenthusiastic about that. But we thought it'd be fun to take some of the clips from the videos that we released this year and discuss which our favorite clips were. Now, Corey, this was a big year for us because we brought on board our producer, Jonathan.
Yeah, and I think if you look back at our videos, the first half of the year and the second half of the year, you might be able to determine the exact video where Jonathan came on.
I agree. Whenever it gets good, that's when Jonathan.
They were good
joined us.
before.
They
got better.
They were fair to middling.
They were fair, and now they're middling.
So my first category of the best of 2022 is the best cryptid sighting. Corey, I know that you know what a cryptid is, but why don't you tell the audience?
I do know, and I didn't ask you for before, and most of the audience knows. But for those that don't know, why don't you help me out, them out, and let us know.
Indeed, so a cryptid is an unknown animal, something not part of the establishment lexicon.
Yeah, like a liger. Half lion,
liger,
half tiger.
Wait, don't they actually exist though? I thought they were really a thing, yeah.
Napoleon Dynamite, it's his favorite animal.
Obviously it must be real then, right?
It's true, it's not unknown, I guess.
If anybody hasn't seen Napoleon Dynamite, then do make sure to check it out. And also check down in the description because there you are going to find links to all of the clips and the videos that we are referencing in this video. And Corey, with that being said, let's check out this clip on the best unknown cryptid.
Search.
Bigfoot is real.
Bigfoot is real. Bigfoot, real or hoax? Hashtag Dino Tampa Bay. ABC Action News. 1 of 21.
Action. Let's check it out.
Resume playback. Loading.
He's still wondering if this is all a practical joke, so I would...
That Bigfoot looks just like Corey.
The next category we're going to move on to is the best intro to one of our videos. Not an best intro to any video. I think it's the best intro to our video.
Which is the best intro to any video.
That is very true. We work quite hard on our intros. Hours of planning, script writing. To bring you only the best and the funniest.
Which is why at least 50% of our viewers stay past the first 5 seconds.
They do. Our viewership after 30 seconds, not so great. First 30 seconds, perfect. And that's because of what we do. So let's move on and let's take a look at the best intro of 2022.
Corey, sweet wheels, man.
Yeah, I rented this DeLorean just for the video.
Oh my God, let's hope it's got a flux capacitor because we need to get back to 1992 and find ourselves a reading edge.
I'm driving.
Well, Corey, that sure was a great intro to a video, but what we haven't answered is the question of which piece of technology gave us the best fruit storage? This is an important question at Christmas when we all enjoy a fruit bowl. Corey, are you a fruit bowl fan at Christmas?
Fruit cake?
Oh, fruit cake as well, yeah. The best way to eat fruit, some would say.
Yeah, I would agree. If you can make something healthy into something unhealthy.
Yeah, why not do it?
I'm all on board with that. So, best fruit storage.
Yeah.
I don't remember talking about a refrigerator or anything else, so I have no idea what our best fruit storage was.
Well, Corey, there's only one way to find out. Let's check out the clip and see what we got. Next question. Bobby from Kansas has written in.
Thanks, Bobby.
Thanks, Bobby, and has said, I have a lack of storage in my kitchen and would very much benefit from something that I can use to read recipes and also hang bananas from. Which device do you think would be the best for this? Corey, any thoughts on this one?
Yeah, I think it's a clear winner in this case.
Yeah.
Again, a question we get quite often.
Yeah.
Always from Bobby, but it is, I'm gonna have to go with the smart reader here.
Smart reader is a good winner, yeah. It's got the nice camera there. You can rest a few bananas on there before.
Not too many because it'll start,
pressure.
Yeah,
so maybe like at least 2 bananas, one either side, I think would work brilliantly for that. So thank you, Bobby. I appreciate the question.
Who would have thought the smart reader could do more than just pulled bananas. So everything we do in our videos is 100% real. There's no fake, there's no stunt doubles. We don't do a green screen. What you see is absolutely what you get. El natural, you might say.
Sure.
So with that, let's talk about the best green screen moment in 2022.
This game is a little different from those that we have seen so far. Basically, the way fear works is you're going to constantly be running forward, and you need to avoid zombies, crows, and other obstacles. Now we're gonna go into the game and we're gonna try the tutorial, and that should teach us a little bit on how to play the game. Oh, that's not good.
The zombies woke up. They want to kill you, so change lanes before getting hit. Great, you made it. But there are more of them, try to avoid them. The zombies you woke up are crawling out of their graves,
All right, we'll do
trying
this
to
last
grasp
one
your
here.
feet. See their hands? They are all over. So jump over them to save your life. Good guess. Jumping is to swipe up.
All right, let's try one more here. Oh, we didn't do it, and it got us.
Direct touch on for fear.
Swipe up when you hear the hands coming out of the ground.
All right.
Try again.
So as you can see, this game is a little more intense than our other games were. It's a lot of fun. It's a little bit more graphic than the previous games. So if you are easily scared, just be aware of that.
Well, Cory, I'm very glad that you did not get caught by any of those zombies in that super realistic zombie
Brains.
That's just Cory normally, don't worry about it.
Yes.
For the next clip, well, you know, life is mysterious, and so is Vision Forward Tech Connect. And we are now going to be looking at the biggest mystery in any of our videos from this year, Cory. How was your year for mysteries?
Well, the biggest mystery, I'm assuming, is how our channel is still going.
Well, let's find out by watching the latest clip. So this is looking a bit clearer here. If you seek answers, try turning on the computer in tech and going to our YouTube channel. I don't know what Cory is up to here, but we better follow his instructions if we want to find out where he is. Time to head back to tech and turn on that computer.
Nobody loves a scavenger hunt more than I do, and I'm glad you guys figured out what the mystery was.
Cory, I am so glad that we found you.
Yeah, I don't know that it would be much difference if you didn't find me, but that's okay.
It probably would have been better. But
Exactly. You know, finding things, I find your wallet everywhere. It is the biggest, how you lose this monstrosity of a wallet, I have no idea. But I'd like us to, for the next clip, let's take a look at the weirdest place I found your wallet in 2022.
All right.
Let me go grab a drink out of the fridge. All right. What the heck is it? Oh, hey, it's Luke's wallet. Let's find out if he was really lying to me earlier. Oh, he really doesn't have any money. Let's do a nice thing for him today. We're gonna give him that 20. And he can never say I didn't do anything for him. We'll put it back in the fridge because for some reason that's where he thinks it should go. And let's grab our...
That sure was a strange place to find my wallet, and yes, it does get everywhere. And also, sometimes weird things have a habit of turning up in it.
Definitely not money.
It's never money. No, that's the sad thing about it. Let's take a look at the clip and see what the strangest thing to appear in my wallet this year was.
I went to Luke and asked if I could borrow some money from him. He opened up his wallet, moss flew out, and he just had nothing for me. But luckily, I was able to hunt down a bill here, and we are going to find out if the currency identification is accurate. Seriously, those moths are still flying around Vision Forward. It landed on a client when I was training earlier today.
I'll tell you what though, Cory, if you paid me more, then maybe there wouldn't just be moss in my wallet anymore, you know?
You're lucky you got moss. It could be nothing. All right, I love when we put special effects in our videos.
Wait, I thought they were all 100% real.
Yes.
Okay.
It's real special effect. So I would let's take a look at what I think is the best real special effect in 2022.
Let's do it.
Diet Pepsi Soda Cola 12 FL Oz can.
And look at that. Perfect.
Oh, I'm so close. 2 more matches, and I'm going to take the high score.
Warning.
I'm so close.
You're still playing that game, are you, Cory?
I'm so close. One more. One more.
All right.
Good luck.
Come on, better. You can do it. Come on.
Power failure.
Well, Cory, I'm glad that your head has been put back together again, and I have to say, Jonathan has been a really good sport this year in putting together some interesting special effects into the videos that he might not have expected us to ask for.
Yeah, call me Humpty Dumpty. Put it back together. My head has taken a beating this year. I have a thick head, so we're good to go.
Yes, we are, and just like Jonathan was obedient in putting together those special effects, we are now going to look at the clip that highlights the most obedient AI that we have had in a video this year. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Call me Mr. Awesome Sauce.
From now on, I'll call you Mr. Awesome Sauce. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Awesome Sauce it is.
2022 was a great year, as you can see from all the clips that you saw today. Go ahead and put down your favorite clip in the comments section. We'll be sure to take a look at those. Links to all of our clips you'll find down in the description. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, click that like button. All of that absolutely helps out the channel, and we sure do appreciate it.
And with that being said, don't forget you can get in touch with us. So you can email techconnect@vision-forward.org. You can visit us online, vision-forward.org. And of course, you can also phone us 414-615-0103. It's been a great 2022. We're looking forward to seeing you in 2023, and happy holidays!
That one was really good. I like that.
Yeah.
I don't even think we need a second.
High praise.
As you can see,
Yeah?
no, I can't. All clips to everything that you show to me.
Do you want to try yours again or not?
No, mine was good.
No, yours was good. Oh, no, mine was good.
Mine was good.
I'm first take Luke.
FDL.
You're going to start yours in like 10 seconds anyway.
Let's start all over.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah, exactly.